Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. Our third tip is uninstall any apps you don't use. So this would apply to especially your Mac or PC. On a Chromebook, you're not necessarily installing apps. You might have some apps that we've approved for use on the Chromebook from the Google Play Store, but you won't have any apps that you've downloaded and installed like you would on a Mac or PC or your phone. So it's always good to do that on a regular basis. Set aside some time to delete those apps.
And I would say, since again, we're a googly district, if we're using the Chrome browser and you have been trying out different Chrome extensions, it slows your computer down a lot if you have a ton of extensions turned on or that you're not using and loaded there. So for Chrome browser, up the top near across to the right by your URL bar, by your profile picture, there's a puzzle piece that you can click on. That can also be a way you can pin things to your bar or delete right from there. So if you click on those, you can see what extensions you might have loaded. And then you can help organize yourself there too as well.
And then Amy, you're asking, is there one place you can see all apps on your computer? So if you're on a Mac, you're going to look in the applications folder. And if you're on a PC, you're going to go to programs. And that's where you can see everything. And then on a Mac, you're just going to drag an application to the trash. And on a PC, there's actually a system preference to uninstall software or programs. And good point, Christina. In case some of you didn't know, deleting a shortcut from a program you don't use is not uninstalling. So when you look at your desktop on a Mac or PC, if you see the little arrow with the icon on a desktop PC, that's just a shortcut. It's not the actual application. And you want to go to that control panel that says uninstall software to actually uninstall it. Great point. All right. Is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there's lots more information about the digital toolkit. And if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis. And that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching. So instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.